This is Angel, my lovely angel. She's a true angel, that's why her name is Angel. She loves the ocean, loves the seaweed, just like me, 'cause I'm a mermaid with Angel and the seaweed sand. Not between our toes yet, 'cause it's still winter time. Oh my goodness, I've got big biker boots on me. Yes, where's my big bike? Anyway, so Angel, my lovely angel. She's happy, 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 happy all the time, love filled, and she's in my life as my guardian angel, my lovely angel. So all of you who have a doggy, a kitty, a birdie, a lizard, whomever, they are angels there to help you on your way. There's another one on the beach over there. Look at the houses. I love my angel dear. Oh, look, 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 here comes another angel. Look, look, look. Two angels happy together by the ocean. They're the same color. La la la, la 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 la, la 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 la.